Hello folks, we're making a chicken thigh, and it's right now in a marinating stage. We're going to be setting these overnight, and what we have is the meat side up on the thigh. We've coated both sides with our smoking salt. We took our smoking salt and we mixed it with sugar. Okay, 50-50. We also took some soy sauce. So we put some soy sauce. We coated both sides with our smoking salt and sugar mix. We then used a Ortega, and this seasoning does work better than all the others that we've tested. Okay, just something about it. No lumpies, no nothing. Coated both sides of those. So now what we have is we have a nice marinating sauce that this is sitting in. This will penetrate, and then what we're going to do is we're going to braise and smoke and bake tender. And I'll do a follow-up video after that. But that's your beginnings of a smoking salt chicken thigh with a Ortega taco. Basically, it's going to create a shell, a nice retainer once that gets braised out, and we'll hold all that beautiful hickory that we're going to be smoking it with in the braiser. Okay, we'll be back for more.